Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans and corn both closed higher on Monday, supported by more forecasts for generally warm, dry conditions in much of Argentina for most of this week, further potentially trimming the yield for both corn and for soybeans. Now, while conditions in Brazil look good for the most part, there are some concerns about the slow pace of the soybean harvest in some areas, and that is pushing back second crop corn planting. As for wheat, it continues to trade higher thanks to new commercial demand linked to the continued concerns about dry weather in parts of the U.S. plains. And that's in addition to forecasts for maybe too much precipitation in parts of the eastern Midwest over the next week or so. Minneapolis is keeping an eye on conditions in the northern plains in Canada ahead of spring planting. Live and feeder cattle were higher on short covering, technical buying, and a higher move in box beef at midday. Direct cash cattle markets are quiet, pretty typical for a Monday. This week's show list looks mixed when compared to last week. And hogs are mostly higher on spread trade out of the February contract and commercial buying. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.